Addictive Sesame Cabbage and more. My go-to Japanese breakfast. $90 of short grain rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120 g of water to the rinsed rice. Add half tablespoon of sake for tastier rice. Mix well, then cook the rice. $80 g of cabbage. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $40 g of daikon radish. Julienne the daikon radish. Half slice of fried tofu. Slice the fried tofu into stripes. One tablespoon of sesame paste. Half tablespoon of ground sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of mirin. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 dash of 味の素。1 dash of salt. Mix well. Add the cabbage, which has been washed and drained well. Mix well. One egg. Beat the egg. Medium heat. Half teaspoon of cooking oil. Heat the fry pan thoroughly. Add a beaten egg. Make some scrambled eggs. Let the cooked rice cool down slightly. 1 teaspoon of 塩昆布. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add the scrambled eggs. 1 tablespoon of toasted white sesame seed. Mix well. A dash of salt. Mix well. Shape into rice balls as you like. Add the julienne daikon radish to the pot. Add the sliced fried tofu. 200 ml of water. Medium heat. Once it boils, reduce to low heat and simmer for 4 minutes. Turn off the heat once the daikon radish is tender. One tablespoon of miso. If not dashi infused, add a half teaspoon of dashi powder.今日の日本の朝ごはんはこんな感じでした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.